Cabo, Mexico. We're finally here.
Whoa, we're landing.
We just touched down in beautiful Mexico! Yes!
You are here, we're gonna be 20 minutes drive all the way to Barceló. Here, the beach is not swimmable, so keep an eye on your kids. Do not let them swim right here, okay?
Why?
It's too rough, even for you. Here, you got town, you got all inclusive, you got a town right here. The church, the flea market, the taco stands, galleries, museums, everything right here.
$125 for four things. We're taking a little van now to the hotel. Can't wait. We can't wait, guys. It's good. Hey, Nathan. Hey, Nyla. Cheers. Yeah.
Hola.
Are you going to take the kids?
No, it's okay.
Okay.
Okay, baby. We just got to the Barceló Gran Los Cabos.
You're gonna give it to him?
Merry Christmas for me.
No.
No. Cheers.
Hola familia, bienvenidos.
Hola, amigo.
Welcome.
Gracias. 5 and 3. Careful. Nathan, your turn. Nathan's such a good boy.
Wow.
Say thank you.
Look! It's so...
Cheese.
Whoa! Come on in, guys. You need to wait
It smells like flowers in here.
Beautiful, guys. Beautiful.
Get a toy. Remember?
Yes. Oh my God. Look at the ocean. He's big enough. He's good.
So we are going into the room. You have a bracelet and it just... Then you walk in. Wow. And you see your big closet. Has more stuff here, coffee maker. And this is the shower. Then a big sink comes with a mini fridge. And then they always stock it up. Drinks and stuff, beer, ice bucket, your safe. And then 3 drawers to put your clothes in. A double bed and then a queen. This is the balcony. You can see the beach from here. And then this thing is pretty cool. You dry your stuff so it closes and then you can open it. And you put your bathing suit here to dry. So that is the room. Good afternoon, world! Hello, beautiful! Wow, look at that infinity pool. Here, where's our luggage? I want to go. I'm hungry. Oh my god, my nails gonna break. Oh god, forget that. Cheers, everybody. Look at my skin, look at my hair, guys. Just look at this. Look at this. Cheers. I'm ready to get in my bathing suit. Actually, no, I'm not ready to get in my bathing suit. I'm ready.
The Barcelo, Gran Faro, Los Cabos. Look how beautiful it is. Beautiful flowers, beautiful palm trees, beautiful pool. So beautiful here. They're telling us there's not that many people here at all. Told us they're dying out here. There's not a lot of tourists, and 70% of the money they make here is from tourism.
Thank you so much.
They always serve you here now. You're not allowed to grab the stuff by yourself. They do everything for you. Hola! Can I have an omelet, please?
Es bueno.
Thank you.
Mixed vegetable?
Yes, please. Some more eggs, please. Gracias, amigo.
De nada, amigo.
Wow. This looks yummy, guys. Jeez. The people here are so good, and of course the food. So good. So good here. Such good quality. Thank you, everybody at Barceló. Park our stroller up here, and then we brought our stuff over there to our little, I guess, cabana. But look at this beautifulness. We got a nice infinity pool overlooking the beach. We got Nathan over there already playing. Nyla and Abby going to the ocean.
Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. New videos coming every week. See you in our next